Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So I'm gonna make this just a quick video. I wanted to show you the finished welding cart, and I'll show you it with everything off of it, finished, and then I'll show you the cart after it's put together, whatever, with the plasma cutter and the welders and stuff all set up on top of the cart. What? Huh? So I got the cart all finished up, got the wheels welded on. They're welded down here, but I put those on there and then some locking ones in the front. And I was gonna put a handle on it, but I decided to leave it here like this, just because it's so easy to roll around with that. And I think I'm gonna kind of clean it up a little bit, blow it off, wipe it down, and I'll just spray some satin clear on it and spend some time on this thing later. You know, when I decide a color, like if I'm painting a car or something, I find a color that I like, I'll spray it with automotive paint and clear coat. But it turned out pretty cool. Thing weighs a ton. I put a 3/16" diamond plate on the bottom here, only because I had it. It was here, it was cut, it was already that size. I just ground the edges and welded it on. Worked out great. And then I already showed this yesterday, this piece here. Everything's pretty much done, but it turned out pretty cool. And I'll go ahead and get it clear coated real quick with some satin just so it doesn't rust. And then I'll get the welders and stuff set up on it. So I finished up the welding cart. It rolls nice. And like I said earlier, I put these wheel locks on here, so I don't know if I'll need them or not. And then put our Minnesota Outlaw Customs logo on there. And then the other stencil is, I put my name on here. And I want to thank Jason at Iron Horse Garage for making those stencils for me. That was really cool. He 3D printed those for me. And those guys are awesome. If you guys haven't checked out Iron Horse Garage, go check out their channel. If you get a chance, go check out our other channel, which is NZ Mopar Outlaw Customs on YouTube. And then I also put our logo here, and then tag the side of the welder out here, and then put my name here. So, but this turned out great. I kept the patina. I decided to go with the patina. It just matches the old timiness of our hot rod shop. And you can see how I aged the metal so it looks old. And how I got that effect is I ground it and then cleaned it up and wiped it down with boiled linseed oil. And then I clear coated it, and it gives it like that old patina look. So it's pretty cool. And then I put the strap here for the tank, and this is nice and strong. That way I don't have to worry about it falling over. This thing weighs a ton. So it's a nice heavy cart, so I don't have to worry about it flipping on me. Have the strap set up here, and I was smart enough to put the washers welded to here so that the hooks, when you let go of it, if the strap falls down, when you're taking the tank off, these stay hooked. Because my other one's kind of a pain in the neck, and every time I loosen it, it falls out. But anyways, I have the Yes Welder plasma cutter here, and that's the 55DS. And then on the other side, I have the cylinder cap here. So it has a spot where I can, go all over the shop and it's not gonna fall out. And then this is the setup here with the bolt stock that I used, that I bent. It gives me a spot to, wrap up all the leads for the plasma cutter. And then this is the Yes Welder MIG 205DS. I wanna thank Yes Welder for sending the plasma cutter, the MIG and TIG arc welder here, and then the welding helmet. Oh, excuse me. But I appreciate all the support on the channel. If you guys haven't checked out Yes Welder, go check them out. They got some really nice products. Hope you guys enjoyed the little series of videos that I did on this welding cart. Thanks for watching. Later.